In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for self-improvement. 2026 full guide. Self-improvement tools can be helpful, but they often miss your unique context. The advantage of using ChatGPT is that it adapts to your routines, your energy levels, and your goals anytime you need it. Today, you'll learn how to architect sustainable habits, dismantle procrastination, curate a focused learning path, reflect with clarity, and stretch your comfort zone in a practical, trackable way. Let's start by building habits that actually stick. Big overhauls usually fail, so use ChatGPT to design small, frictionless actions you'll keep. Try a prompt like, act as an elite personal development and behavioral coach. I want to build a sustainable daily habit of meditating for 10 minutes and reading 10 pages every morning. Help me design a precise habit stacking routine based on things I already do effortlessly, like brewing my morning coffee. Ask it to define a clear trigger, simplify the first action, and suggest tiny environment tweaks. Request a success metric and an if-then backup plan for busy days to keep your streak alive. When procrastination hits, it's often an emotional response to overwhelm. Instead of spiraling, have ChatGPT make the task small and doable. Use. I am severely procrastinating on a major technical project because the scope feels massive and I don't know where to start. Act as an objective accountability partner. Deconstruct this overwhelming project into 5 microtasks that take less than 15 minutes each, so I can build immediate momentum. Follow up by asking for the single first step, a definition of done, and a 15-minute timer plan. Next, curate a learning path that targets your exact gaps. Skip endless lists and feed your goals directly into ChatGPT. I want to master emotional intelligence, mental models for decision making, and basic financial literacy this year. Curate a precise 3-book reading curriculum for me. For each book, provide a brief summary of why it's essential, and give me 3 actionable implementation questions to keep in mind while reading. Ask it to match your time budget and format preferences, then schedule the pages inside your habit stack. For weekly reflection, turn scattered thoughts into insights. Say, I am going to paste my messy, unedited journal thoughts from this past week. Analyze the text objectively. Identify recurring patterns of negative self-talk. Pinpoint what triggered my anxiety or low productivity, and highlight my clear wins so I can improve my mindset next week. Request gentle reframes and 1 experiment to try. Finally, gamify growth with a 30-day comfort zone challenge. Prompt. Design a customized 30-day comfort zone challenge focused on building social confidence and public speaking skills. Break it into 4 weekly challenges that scale gradually, starting with micro interactions and ending with a significant high leverage boundary push. Ask for safety considerations, daily reps, and simple tracking. Leverage ChatGPT as your reflective, strategic partner to cut the noise and execute what matters. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.